Hey everybody, this is Tom from Superior Trailer, and today I'm at our Virginia Beach, Virginia location. Today I want to show you this very cool 24-foot Anvil enclosed race trailer. As always, we'll start from the front. We got our 2 5/16 inch coupler. We got our triple tubular frame here at the front, 24-inch rock guard. Then the rock guard goes up the middle of the V-nose. One of the cool things about Anvil is the poly core sheathing. Instead of using metal, the poly core is a little bit thicker, better insulated. And also, if you look down the side here, you will not see the waves that you'll see typically in a metal type sheathing. So just a really cool feature with the Anvil trailer. Come around here, we've got two 5,200 pound axles. We've got our pull down ramp door. Get your vehicle on. Take a look inside. So come in here, the ceiling is raised to 7 foot. That's an option we had added on. Also, we have the thermocool ceiling here to help keep the trailer cool in the summer. You got lights here as well. We've got 3/4 inch plywood on the floor, 3/8 plywood here on the sides. Plenty of room here for your race car or anything else you want to haul in this thing. This Anvil trailer is an exceptional value at an exceptional price. You can see this trailer here at our Virginia Beach location or other ones like it at any of our Superior locations in Richmond, Virginia, in Suffolk, Virginia, and Burlington, North Carolina as well. So come see us, but more importantly, see us for the best customer experience in the business. Thank you.